Hello listeners, welcome to Voices of Your Minds, the podcast where students share ideas that truly matter. Today's topic is one that sparks debate in almost every household during vacation season, summer holiday homework. Is it an effective way to remain intellectually engaged during a break, or does it transform a much-needed vacation into an extension of the classroom? Many students argue that holiday homework diminishes the joy of holidays, while educators argue that it prevents academic disengagement. Now, we are joined by grade 6 student Utkarsh and teacher Mrs. Shrishti. Utkarsh, it is beginning of June. What is your reaction when teachers announce holiday homework?
Initially, there is excitement about the holidays. However, the moment holiday homework circular is distributed, that excitement turns into anxiety.
Why do you think students feel that way?
Because vacations are intended to provide mental relaxation. After an exhausting academic session, students require time to recharge emotionally and creatively. When the workload becomes excessive, holidays no longer feel refreshing.
So would you say holiday homework is completely unnecessary?
Not entirely. Thoughtfully designed assignments can be beneficial. For instance, reading novels, making a travel journal, conducting small scientific observations, or engaging in artistic activities can make learning enjoyable. The problem arises when homework becomes repetitive and monotonous.
An insightful observation. Miss Shifty, why do you think schools continue assigning holiday homework despite student dissatisfaction?
The purpose of holiday homework is to keep learning active during the break.
That seems reasonable, but do you believe the quantity of homework sometimes becomes overwhelming?
However, homework should not create stress but creativity.
I completely agree. Students are far more enthusiastic when assignments allow freedoms of expression to them.
This raises an important question. Should the holidays focus entirely on leisure, or should they maintain a balance between recreation and productivity? Perhaps the answer lies somewhere in the middle. Excessive academic pressure can negatively affect motivation, yet complete disengagement may reduce learning consistency.
Precisely, balance is essential. Holidays are to nurture both mental well-being and personal growth.
And students appreciate homework more when it feels meaningful instead of compulsory.
Today's discussion reminds us that summer holiday homework is neither entirely beneficial nor entirely burdensome. Its effectiveness depends upon the nature, purpose, and the quantity of assignments provided.
When designed thoughtfully, holiday homework can nurture creativity, self-learning, and responsibility.
But students also require sufficient time to relax, explore hobbies, and enjoy their vacations.
Thank you for joining us on Voices of Young Minds. Until next time, continue questioning, continue learning, and most importantly, continue enjoying your holidays wisely.